Attorney Jeffrey Moots has filed a motion to suppress evidence collected in Christopher Carillo's criminal case. Carillo, a former staffer of Vice Speaker B.J. Cruz, was arrested after he was found in possession of more than 500 grams of marijuana. The defense maintains that customs officers violated his client's Fourth Amendment rights and essentially put the cart before the horse when raiding the Tamuning home. On February 26th, Customs quarantine drug detection dogs alerted to a package that was addressed to Zaani Branch at a residence on Thomas Street in Tamuning. A day later, a federal search warrant was obtained authorizing officers to open the package to determine its contents. Inside, they found marijuana. A tracking device was placed inside the box, and on February 28th, the package was delivered at 11:16 and left outside the home. Now, according to the defense, 3 minutes later, law enforcement saw an individual, later identified as Carillo, go outside, take the package inside. Minutes later, the tracking device goes off, and law enforcement break into the house, seizing the package and Carillo. At 11:30, the entry team confirmed the house was secured and gave the all clear. But 3 hours later, the defense argues that a customs officer left the Tamuning home and went to meet with a Superior Court judge to go over an anticipatory search warrant. And at 3:39, the court signed that search warrant authorizing custom officers to enter the house.
Package goes in. A few minutes later, they bust in, put somebody in handcuffs, and then, like you said, 3+ hours later, they go to a judge and say, we'd like permission to go in when that package goes in, and they don't tell him why.
Attorney Moots says customs officers never told the judge that they had already entered the house before obtaining the search warrant.
In this case, they seize the package and later they deliver it. There's really no reason not to have gotten a warrant ahead of time. It just doesn't make any sense. I have not seen a case where they did this. I mean, this was not a situation where events overtook the officers. The officers controlled everything. They didn't have to deliver the package that they had until after they did the warrant. And why they did, who knows? I don't know if somebody forgot. I don't know if they just, slipped their mind, or the person who was supposed to do it didn't do it. I don't know. But it doesn't appear that there's any justification for it.
If granted, all of the evidence seized during the bust, including scales, packaging material, marijuana, and another similar mail package also addressed to Zaani Branch, as well as statements Carillo allegedly made to authorities about smoking as much marijuana as he can, up to ½ an ounce a week, would all be thrown out. Carillo currently remains on house arrest and is scheduled to appear before the Adult Drug Court for a hearing next month. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.